Today, I will show you how to analyze a company's financial using Gemini in 2026. All you need to do is grab a financial statement, just like I did here. I tested two different approaches. First, I built my own financial statement analyzer using Google AI Studio, powered by Gemini. And second, I used a more traditionally prompt-based method. I can already taste this. My custom app delivers better and faster results than the classic prompt approach. If you also want to learn how to build something like this easily and without any technical background, join my AI MBA community. The link is in the description box. For the free prompts, connect with me on LinkedIn. Here, let's just start with Gemini. We will use the Gemini 3 version. So these are the prompts. What I wanted to do with this, just to make an analysis. So everything what I need is just to come here and copy and paste the prompts what I already prepared for that. So actually in this document, I prepared that we need to go through four or more iterations to generate the financial analysis. If you would like to have this document, you can also connect me on LinkedIn and I will send it to you for free. So just look a little bit about in the benchmark. The benchmark is comparing any other major AIs, also with Gemini, in as a like an aspect of a financial agent. And as you see in this case, for example, the Gemini 3 Pro is in the 12th place of the whole list. Of course, it's not the best, but it's okay, I would say. I also tested GPT and Claude, and I must say that yeah, so I made them from video, also from GPT and Claude. So you can also look into my previous videos, and yeah, you will see the comparison of them. So as I told, we will do it iterationally. That means this will be the first prompt after the Gemini generated the the analysis. After it, I will put it the second prompt and so on and so forth. So we will do just two prompts. Okay, so come here, copy, come back to the Gemini, and just copy and paste the prompt directly into the chat of Gemini. So this is how we will generate and analyze financial data from a firm or for any kind of companies with the Gemini in 2026. And as you see, oh yeah, what I forget, actually just put the prompt or upload the upload the document from the company, which is in this case Mondelez, what I want to analyze, and after put the prompt. So the PDF document and the PDF document every kind of financial data and analyzes financial statement, cash flow statement is inside this document, and these are starting to analyze. So Gemini started to analyze it, and as you see, the we are now getting the data back, and it seems pretty good. So here you can see about the revenue growth, margin trends, earning quality, balance sheet, um, results, capital discipline, and risk profile informations. And what I really like in Gemini that you can directly export to Google Sheet if you want. There is also like as a second iteration as a business revenue quality, a profitability operating leverage, and a normalized margin view. Also with a cash flow and earnings quality, with the balance sheet strength and capital efficiency. Also, I wanted to have a risk map and with also some scenario framework with a final CFO summary table. So this is, guys, a game changer because with this kind of prompts, you can get already a prompt, what you get an outcome, an output, what you also can already represent to your CFOs also with a Excel sheet or a Google sheet. And to dive a little bit deeper, we are going back to our sheet and we are just copying and paste the whole second prompt. And this second prompt will be much focused on forecast. So I come back here and start to generate the output for the forecast for the company. to analyze the whole financial informations inside the PDF. And it's already starting to generating the whole informations about the financial situation from the company in the forecast version. So I looked already the outputs and I really impressed with this output. What I did really don't so I'm missing it in Google Gemini, that we don't really have in 2026 also a kind of graphical interface, which can easily make and show the data in a graphical structure. So if you want to impress your CFO, then what I really would, so you can use this data from the Mondelez, upload into my AI tool what I developed with the sheet, with Google AI Studio, and I can show you in my web community if you want. And now, if you are uploaded, this is the result. And guys, I must say that this is a pretty game changer because it already analyzed data and created directly into an interface, a user interface, without doing any kind of prompting, the whole data, the structured data, how you would like to have, and you can directly present to anybody, to your investors, to your boss, and so on and so forth. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also share this video, and yeah, we will see each other in the next video.